Hey, let's talk about bill of materials and recipe management today. So, in ERP systems, manufacturing normally is built on BOMs or bill of materials, where you have a list of ingredients that go together to make a finished good. So, those bill of materials, they can have levels. So, you can have multi-level BOMs, as we call them, where like you have something is being made and then that output is taken into as ingredient of something else, so it levels up. In food and food manufacturing in particular, we like to talk about recipes because bill of materials is a very technical term. In food, it's recipe. So like if you're making soup, for example, you're putting together various ingredients. You might be putting in some chicken, broth and other things to make the soup. And you might have something called prep recipe in between. So like the broth might actually be made from scratch. So you have to do a prep recipe for the broth. Then once you have the broth, you put the broth into the rest of the soup and make the finished good with packaging possibly and all that. So the way we do it actually in inecta food is we call them both bill of materials and recipes. Now, when you get to the recipe concept, you have to think about teaspoons, tablespoons, the units of measure that actually go into making the recipe for like one serving. And then you have to multiply that all out for large batches. And so you start making things in batches. And that is very different from how normal ERPs deal with things, because normal ERPs are more designated to, let's say, make a bicycle. You put together a wheel, put together another wheel, that's what's called a sub-assembly, and then that goes into the bicycle as one. However, in food, you are like with the broth, you're making batches of things, in tanks or vats, and so you move that along, and that's what we normally call process manufacturing. And at Inecta Food, we actually are heavily in process manufacturing. Very, very different. So recipes are actually just a concept in process manufacturing. And we are then dealing with fluids, that are measured with possibly high accuracy, and of course are not perfect. It's never perfect. It's not like one piece that goes here. It's like liters go there and pounds go there, and etc., etc. So it's very important to get this right and make this distinction. And this is not something, like I said, that comes out of a standard ERP. It has to be specifically tailored for process, and moreover, it has to be specifically tailored for food. And that's what we've strive to do, and have created a really strong bill of material / recipe system in Inecta Food.